on the let side, keep reversing slowly.
5 meter to the gate, hold it right there. Perfect.
Easy now, keep moving. Watch the flank on the right side. Easy now, keep moving steady. Gates open, bring the last one through.
Keep them moving slowly. Check the hind legs on the third one.
Check the brushes on the left side.
Looks good. Keep the pace steady.
Revisa la curvatura de la base. Está perfecto, ni un solo rasguño. Siguiente.
Hooves look good on this one.
Yeah, pressure is optimal. Moving to stage 2.
Check the horn symmetry on that one. Yep, looks good. Coat is spotless.
Scan complete.
Coat integrity is optimal. Proceed to exit bay 4.
Keep him steady through the gate.
The shine on this one is incredible.
The heel structure is finalized. Ready to transmit.
Approved.
Freshly cut leather components move into the finishing department, where automatic skiving machines carefully thin every edge to create perfectly smooth folds and seamless joints.
The stitching on this batch is flawless. Yes, the alignment is absolutely perfect.
The stitching on the heel counter is flawless. Absolutely perfect symmetry. This pair is approved.
Inside the heel production department, premium rubber, lightweight polyurethane, and reinforced composite materials are heated and molded inside precision casting machines.
Premium leather handles and adjustable shoulder straps are manufactured separately by skilled Middle Eastern female technicians before being securely attached to the handbags using reinforced stitching.
The alignment on this one is absolutely perfect. The gold foil is flawless.
These stress curves look good, well within tolerance.
Yes, the leather consistency is stable. Final approval granted. Decibels. Master craftsmen carefully polish every handbag, women's shoe, high heel, and leather jacket by hand using The approved horns move through an advanced cleaning line where powerful water jets, rotating brushes, and eco-friendly cleaning solutions remove dirt and natural residue.
Check the sensors. The humidity level is exact.
It is perfectly pliable, ready for the next stage.
Each completed necklace receives a transparent protective coating. Flawless craftsmanship.
It meets all standards for approval.